gotta work on
The mad chicken, he's kind of mad because he has to fight. He doesn't really want to fight. It's like evil. I'm the evil chicken! I deflect lasers with my head! He just does cute cheeks. You gotta put the cute cheeks on him. Chicken ears, man. Chicken ears. Ears on chicken. Battling. I don't do chickens. I'm not the chicken guy. I'm just trying to battle the chicken guy wherever he is. Everybody knows who the chicken guy is. I'm trying to battle him. Yeah. All right, here we go. So I got a chicken.